Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.